Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows cannot determine the settings for this device error code 34, then please watch this video. Now this error code simply means that the device needs to be configured manually. So let us say it is a printer, scanner, camera. Simply unplug that device and replug it. If it has a wizard, then you will have to follow it, but if it does not, in most of the cases it does not, then you will have to update or reinstall the drivers. I'll show you how this is done. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for, let us say, the Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the main Bluetooth driver and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. If it doesn't help, right click on it and select Uninstall Device and uninstall it. Then click on Action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.